Hello, in front of me I've got Starsand Island. In this video I'll show you how to decorate home. To decorate home, firstly make sure you've got blueprints for decorations. Let's go to work table and find Home Decor. Select Home Decor you would like to craft. Now let's go to Home. Press B button and find Home Decor. Select Place and now you can place it. You can also buy new Home Decor's blueprints in Lex Woodworks, for example. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.